fruits that are natural medicines for your health. Health experts are aware that fruit is a delightful, incredibly nutrient-dense, and practical supplement to any diet. Each variety of fruit has its own mix of nutrients and health advantages to offer. Here are some of the healthiest fruits. Blueberries are a small, but mighty fruit that are packed with a variety of health benefits. One of the key benefits of blueberries is their high concentration of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These compounds give blueberries their distinctive deep blue color and help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. In addition to their antioxidant content, blueberries help to protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Other studies have found that blueberries may help to regulate blood sugar levels, making them a good choice for people with diabetes. Blueberries are also thought to have cognitive benefits, particularly for older adults. Bananas are a great source of dietary fiber and promote digestive health. A medium-sized banana contains around 3 grams of fiber, which is about 10% of the recommended daily intake for adults. In addition to their fiber content, bananas are particularly high in potassium, which is an essential mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure and promote heart health. A banana has around 400 milligrams of potassium, which is about 9% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Bananas are also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and magnesium, which are all important nutrients for overall health and well-being. One of the unique benefits of bananas is their high carbohydrate content, which makes them a great source of energy. This can be especially beneficial for athletes or people who engage in regular physical activity, as bananas can help to fuel workouts and promote recovery. Bananas are also relatively low in calories, containing around 105 calories, making them a great choice for people looking to maintain a healthy weight. Pomegranates are a unique and flavorful fruit that are a rich source of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. In fact, some research has suggested that consuming pomegranates may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast and prostate cancer. In addition to their antioxidant content, pomegranates are also a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are particularly high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, which are all important nutrients for overall health and well-being. Pomegranates are also believed to have a range of other health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and supporting brain function. They also have a high concentration of punicolagens, which are a type of antioxidant that have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. This can be especially beneficial for people with chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis or inflammatory bowel disease. Apples are one of the most widely consumed fruits in the world, and for good reason. They are a great source of nutrition and offer a range of health benefits. A medium-sized apple contains around 4 grams of fiber, which is about 17% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Fiber is an important nutrient that plays a key role in maintaining digestive health by helping to prevent constipation. It can also help to promote feelings of fullness and reduce appetite, making it an important tool for weight management. In addition to their fiber content, apples are also rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids like quercetin and catechin. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help to protect against a range of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Some research has also suggested that consuming apples may help to lower cholesterol levels, which is another important factor in reducing the risk of heart disease. Strawberries are a rich source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to boost the immune system. In fact, a cup of sliced strawberries contains around 150% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C for adults. In addition to their high vitamin C content, strawberries are also a good source of other important nutrients like folate, potassium, and fiber. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure and promote heart health, while folate is important for healthy cell growth and development. Fiber, on the other hand, helps to regulate digestion and maintain healthy bowel movements. Strawberries are also believed to have a range of health benefits beyond their nutritional content. Some studies have suggested that consuming strawberries may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. This may be due in part to the high antioxidant content of strawberries, which helps to protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. One of the unique benefits of strawberries is their high concentration of polyphenols, which are a type of antioxidant that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. This can be especially beneficial for people with chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis or cancer. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.